I did a video yesterday on updating the DJI Power Series 1000, and during the video, like I said, you needed to have everything taken out, power cord also, press the power and the AC at the same time to get it in the load. And after you get it in the load, plug in the power cord. The issue was that later on, after it was all updated, this thing just kept beeping, beep, 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 and the display was black. What I found out was I was using the Ecoflow power cord. If you look at the Ecoflow power cord and the DJI power cord, the Ecoflow has this Ferrite bead, and it's for RFI interference, and the DJI doesn't. Even though they're identical except without this. This is how you tell the Ecoflow cord. They do put a little tag on here to, when you wrap it up, it doesn't say Ecoflow. So I'm going to put tags on these since I have an Ecoflow, a Jackery, and a DJI. And so I noticed I came back about an hour later into the motorhome and the DJI was still beeping. And I thought that was kind of odd. So I went looking. The Jackery's cord is orange, so it's kind of hard to mistake in that, and it doesn't have the RFI. Same as the DJI doesn't. So I swapped the cords out, the beeping stopped, and it became fully charged. So do not use another cord, especially a cord that has an RFI bead on it. I would just mark these cords, and the Jackery's easy because it's orange, and just make sure you use the cord that was provided. Now, not everybody has all three, so you might not run into that problem. It's just that someday you might misplace this, and there's a lot of cords that look like this, computer cords, etc. And you plug that in, and if it happens to have one of those, I'm assuming the RF is what did it. RFI was what did it, the beeping. So I would just tag those. It's just safety precaution. Nothing happened. Didn't get hot or nothing like this. It just wasn't allowing a charge in.